Have you ever needed to take your pet to the vet and suddenly realized you don't know how to explain what's wrong in English? You know something isn't right. Your dog isn't eating, your cat is acting strangely. But when the vet asks, "What symptoms have you noticed?" your mind goes completely blank.
That situation can feel stressful. You're worried about your pet, and at the same time, you're trying to find the right words. It's a lot. But today, we're going to practice a real, natural conversation at a pet clinic so you can feel calm, clear, and confident. I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna. You'll learn how to describe symptoms, answer questions about behavior and appetite, understand instructions, and even ask for clarification if you don't understand something.
And as always, we'll keep it natural, modern, and practical, just like a real appointment.
If you enjoy learning English through real-life conversations like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. Your support helps us keep creating lessons for learners all around the world.
All right, let's head to the pet clinic.
So, Leo, you said you needed to take Charlie to the vet today?
Yeah, he hasn't been acting like himself, and I didn't want to ignore it.
That's always a smart decision. When did you start noticing something was off?
About 3 days ago. At first, I thought he was just tired, but now I'm not so sure.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Valley Pet Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I have an appointment for my dog at 10:30.
Of course. What's your last name?
Martinez.
Thank you. And your pet's name?
Charlie.
Perfect. I see your appointment here with Dr. Bennett. Could you confirm your phone number for me?
Sure, it's 555-123-4567.
Great. Thank you. Have there been any changes to Charlie's medical history since your last visit?
No, nothing major. He's generally been healthy.
Understood. Please have a seat. The vet technician will call you shortly.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Charlie Martinez?
That's us.
Hi there. You can bring Charlie into this room. We'll start with a quick check.
All right, come on, buddy.
I'm just going to weigh him first. He weighs 28 pounds today. Has his appetite changed recently?
Yes, actually, that's one of the reasons I'm here. He's been eating less than usual.
I see. When you say less than usual, about how much less?
Normally, he finishes his food right away. Now he leaves half of it in the bowl.
Got it. That's helpful to know. Has he been drinking water normally?
I think so, but maybe slightly less.
Okay. Any vomiting or diarrhea?
No vomiting. His stool has been a little softer than normal, though.
Understood. Softer stool can sometimes indicate digestive issues. That's a useful word, digestive. It relates to the stomach and intestines, basically how the body processes food.
Digestive. Okay, that makes sense.
Has he been more tired than usual?
Yes, he's usually very energetic, but lately he just lies down most of the day.
All right. The doctor will be in shortly to take a closer look.
Okay, thanks.
Good morning, Leo. I'm Dr. Bennett. What seems to be going on with Charlie?
Good morning, doctor. I'm a bit concerned because he hasn't been eating normally, and his energy level is lower than usual.
I understand. When did you first notice these changes?
About 3 days ago.
Has he had any recent changes in diet, new food, treats, table scraps?
Actually, yes, I switched his food brand last week.
That's important information. Sometimes a sudden change in diet can upset a dog's stomach.
Upset his stomach?
Yes, when we say upset stomach, we mean mild digestive discomfort, maybe nausea, softer stool, or reduced appetite.
Oh, I see. So it doesn't necessarily mean something serious.
Not necessarily, but we'll examine him to be sure. I'm going to gently press on his abdomen.
Sorry, could you repeat that word?
Of course, abdomen. It means the stomach area, the front part of the body below the chest.
Abdomen. Got it. Thanks for clarifying.
No problem at all. It's always okay to ask for clarification. He doesn't seem to be in pain when I touch his abdomen, which is a good sign.
That's reassuring.
I'm also checking his ears and eyes. Everything looks normal there.
So what do you think is happening?
Based on what you've described and what I'm seeing, this appears to be a mild digestive upset due to the sudden food change.
All right, that sounds manageable.
Yes, it usually is. Dogs can have sensitive stomachs, especially when their diet changes quickly.
That makes sense. I probably should have transitioned more slowly.
Exactly. When switching dog food, it's better to mix the old and new food gradually over about a week.
I didn't realize that. Good to know.
For now, I recommend going back to his previous food for a few days. You can also give him small portions of plain boiled chicken and rice to help settle his stomach.
Plain chicken and rice. Understood.
Make sure he stays hydrated. If his appetite doesn't improve within 3 to 4 days, or if he starts vomiting, contact us right away.
Okay, and should I limit his exercise?
Light activity is fine, but avoid intense play until he's fully back to normal.
Sounds good. One more thing. How will I know if it's something more serious?
Good question. Watch for signs like persistent vomiting, severe diarrhea, bloating, or extreme lethargy.
Lethargy?
Yes, lethargy means extreme tiredness or lack of energy. More than just being calm, it's when they barely want to move.
Ah, okay, that's helpful.
All right, you're all set. Today's visit comes to $60.
No problem.
We'll email you the care instructions as well.
Thank you. I appreciate everyone explaining things so clearly.
Of course, we hope Charlie feels better soon.
Me too. Come on, buddy.
And that's how a typical visit to a pet clinic might sound in English.
Notice how we described symptoms clearly. Eating less, softer stool, lower energy.
We also practiced useful vocabulary like digestive, abdomen, and lethargy.
And remember, it's completely okay to say, "Could you repeat that?" or "What does that mean?" Native speakers do it too.
The goal isn't perfection. The goal is clear communication.
Exactly. In real life, people care more about understanding you than about perfect grammar.
We hope this conversation helps you feel more confident the next time you visit a pet clinic or any medical appointment for your pet.
Practice these phrases out loud. Imagine you're describing your own pet. The more you rehearse, the more natural it will feel.
If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. It really supports our work.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, you're improving every single day.
We'll see you in the next conversation.
Take care. Bye for now.